I'm quite sure every single one of you has heard of UDIO by now. If you haven't, it's an insanely good new AI music generator, and the internet is going absolutely crazy for it. It seems like everyone has made their own song using UDIO now. So this is literally at the top of X. I just typed in UDIO.
Hear that particle spin, babe, calling from entangled lines. When it shifts its face.
Isn't that insane?
Yo, wake up in the ends, hunger's inside. Crave that golden brown, done just right.
Qualities of R.I.P, the greatest leader we've ever seen. They say that he's the listener guy. Eyes bright blue and hair jet black. You should see him ride on a sandworm's back.
Dune the Broadway musical. That's amazing. Anyway, we could listen to examples for hours, but let's jump in and try some generations ourselves. I have not generated anything with this yet, so this is completely new to me too. So once you log in, I just logged in with my Google account, you'll be here on the main page where we can see some staff picks, some trending music. You can order them by category. Alright, so these are ridiculously good. Let's give this a go. As you can see, we get a few options here. It does automatically rewrite your prompt, which usually is a good thing. Then we have some suggested tags and some lyric options. So we can do custom, where you can input your own lyrics. You can have no lyrics, just an instrumental, or you can have auto-generated lyrics, which is what we're going to do. From what I've heard, it sounds better than Suno. So I'm just going to do a rock song about a llama that went on an adventure on its skateboard. Let's see what it makes of that. Let's hit create. Now apparently, since everyone is using this, their servers are pretty bogged down at the moment, but you can still use this and it's absolutely free. If we go to pricing here, you'll see it's completely free during the beta program. You can have 1,200 song generations per month at the moment, which is really good. So apparently UDIO was created by former Google DeepMind researchers, and they're backed by A16Z, which is a venture capital firm. Apparently they're also backed by will.i.am, Common and others. So here are 2 songs it made about a llama going on an adventure on his skateboard. Let's take a listen.
To show the world what a skater can do.
Okay, and here's the next one.
Grinding down the streets with the wind as my guide. Adventure seeks this llama, no mountainside too steep. I kick and push beyond with the city underneath. May the journey never end, a freewheeling ride to chase the sun. 8 tiny wheels become my steed, the board and I are one.
So the instruments there are really impressive. I'm not quite sure about the lyrics, about the singing there. Let's try something else. How about a country song about a drunk horse racing against a Ferrari? Now, while that's creating, we can start a few more as well. How about a pop rock song about a kid discovering air guitar and becoming the coolest kid in the school? We're getting errors here because the generations have been limited due to the high demand. That's fair enough. So once this one is done, we'll send that one off. And we have a backend processing error. Let's hit retry. So we got one of those horse songs. Let's give that a listen, shall we? Hooves over horses. Let's grab the lyrics there as well. View track. Track not found. Okay. Apparently they both have backend processing errors now. Alright, here are the 2 new ones. Stallions Dare and Whiskey Hooves. Let's go with Whiskey Hooves first.
Oh, that horse has been a-drinking. Uh-huh. That's what all folks tell her. Jerry raced that Ferrari down, boy. race that Ferrari down. Whiskey hoofing stallion, outrun that fancy crown.
That's so good. That's really good. Let's try Stallions there.
At a dusty old track near the county fair, and they asked, son, do you think that your horse can dare racing against machines with their engines and flare? Yet here you sit on your stallion with a tipsy stare. No odds or sense could make this true. And I said, folks, there's a lesson and it's old, not new.
Amazing. So good. I mean, how quickly this has come about. Imagine in the next few years. This is already amazing, and there are definitely tracks that have been made with this that you cannot, or at least I really cannot, distinguish from real music. Now, whatever your views are on this, it's definitely impressive. Alright, so here's a pop rock song about the kid discovering air guitar and becoming the coolest kid in school. Strum and Spotlight.
Joy struck him like a riff, so rad, rad, rad. Strumming in the spotlight by fingers that just knew they had that act. The school days in color, the school days in run. Can you hear the strumming?
Alright, that's pretty good. It's a little bit weird because my prompt is also quite weird. Here's Air Guitar Hero.
Rocking out little bold. He's the coolest.
That's actually a pretty good tune. Obviously, the only lyrics it put in basically was na na na. Sounds really good though. Alright, so let's try something without lyrics. I just had Claude generate me some prompts for this. So this is a grand anthemic track with swelling orchestral strings, triumphant brass fanfares, and an infectious uplifting chorus. Captures the sense of adventure and discovery as brave explorers venture into the unknown reaches of space. I am interested to see what it comes up with. Alright, let's see. Voyage beyond the stars. Wow, so there's basically only piano, or almost only piano. I'm so impressed by this though. It actually sounds like just like a good soundtrack. That's amazing. Let's check out Celestial Horizons. Amazing. So cinematic. Oh my god. It's hard to believe this is real. Now, I'm interested to see what this extend and remix features do. And I thought I'd try it on this Air Guitar Hero one, where it just says na 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 na. So let's hit extend on that one. So I guess we can add an intro here. I think it definitely needs an intro. I'm not sure if we should keep this the same. Let's try keeping it the same, see what happens. Alright, let's see what it did. Definitely made it longer. It's double the length now.
Imaginary guitar, and he's all the rage. Na 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 na. Cutting loose, nothing to hold. Na 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 na. Na 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 na
So I'm not sure how much I like the intro, but it definitely did a really good job at actually making the intro and merging it. Like the build up to that, let's call it the chorus, I guess.
Cutting loose, nothing to hold.
That's really cool. Let's see what it did with the other one.
Hair was wild with his imagination on hold. Strumming hard on that air guitar, so bold. In his room he'd been practicing, just following rhythms all through the night. Invisible strings ring true, louder than gold. With every riff and every chord, he's taking control.
Wow, again, really good. Alright, so let's try a jazz song about the YouTube channel called AI Quest, where you can learn about all the new AI tools and updates. By the way, guys, if you want to talk about AI, ask questions, share your creations or anything else about AI, join my Discord server, AI HQ, link will be in the description. Alright, Digital Odyssey. I do really like the names they come up with, the titles for these tracks. They've got some sort of large language model under there, I'm assuming a GPT or some other API. Anyway, let's listen. Digital Odyssey.
Subscribe now. Explore the realm where code unfolds. AI tales freshly told. Catch the wave. I quest. Pixels light, ideas ignite. So many tools that we've got to convey.
Cool, it even told you to subscribe even though I didn't put that in there. Really good. Definitely jazzy. Let's listen to the other one. Syncopated Silicon Dreams.
Come now, just click into the hub. Watch the screens light up with love, and when you're there, you're learning. Take your old ways, check old tunes and scram. What we seek is just to get your AI buzz. What we seek, just get your buzz and learning all AI Quest.
Fantastic. So what if we remix that? So we can remix it. Actually, let's not use that one as it didn't get the lyrics right here. Although that might be a good test for the auto-generated one. So we can make it more similar or more different. Actually, let's remix this one and let's have it keep the lyrics and just vary it a bit. So again, here's the original.
Subscribe now. Explore the realm where code unfolds. AI tales freshly told. Catch the wave. I quest.
And here's our remix version.
Subscribe now. Explore the realm where code unfolds. AI tales freshly told. Catch the wave. I quest. Pixels light, ideas ignite.
Alright, let's see the other one.
Subscribe now. explore the realm where code unfolds.
Okay, definitely a good way to get a slightly different variation of a song. That's really cool. So yeah, I'm definitely going to play around with this more. Maybe use some of this music for my videos. Go try this out yourself. It's completely free. So use it while it is. Also, if you subscribe and like this video, I'll love you forever. And I'll see you next week.